Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin, and in this session we are going to talk about how we can display selected slicer value to a visual title. So basically we just wanted to set our title value dynamically with respect to selected value from the slicer. So how we can achieve this requirement? I am going to show you one tip regarding this during this session. So stay tuned throughout this entire session. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the development part. Here I am on my machine, and here you can see that I have prepared one Power BI report over here. Here I have one slicer for training name where I can filter my data based on the training. Now what I want to do here is, let's say for an example, I am selecting any of the training from here. So basically I just wanted to change the title for this visual dynamically. So let's say I selected training 2. So first of all I need training 2 to be written here, and after that some text is being appended here. So this text is fixed, but before that I need the training name over here so the end user can understand that this graph is represented for training 2's number of users completed training and total number of users who are available. So how can I achieve that? Let me show you that thing in detail here. We just need to create any measure over here. So basically in measure I just need to use selected value function here. So let me just provide my measure name as selected training is equal to, I need to use selected value, and in selected value I need to pass the column name. So basically it's a training name, so we just need to pass the training name here and just hit enter. Now what we need to do here is, we just need to select this visualization, go to the format option. Here we have title property, just expand that. Now here we have already title text is being added because now we do not have set this dynamically. So we do not want to use this title text, but just copy this text for the future reference. Now just click on this formula option. So this will open one pop-up for us. In format by, select the field value as it is. Now from here we just need to select the measure that we just prepared. We have prepared a measure selected training, so we just need to expand where we created this measure. So my measure is created over here, so I just need to select selected training and just click on OK. So you can see that it is showing the selected training from this particular slicer. So let's say I'm selecting this one, so it is showing me this value. Same way for training 2, it is showing that training name here, right? Now what I want to do here is, I want to add some static title as well with all the training names. So I just need to modify my measure a little bit. So whatever the title, static title we have copied from our title property, we just need to append that. So just click on your measure that we just prepared. Now this is my selected value measure. Now you need to type n person here, and then we just need to paste the string that we want to concat here, and then let me just add one space, then dash, and then one. Right now just hit an enter and we are good to go. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see that first it will show me the training name, and then it will show the entire static title. So this is how we can easily set the dynamic title based on the selected slicer value in Power BI. Isn't that amazing? Hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, you can add your questions in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay tuned with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, podcast and Google Form. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification about all my new updates on your WhatsApp number. If you wish to receive if you wish to listen different podcast, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to my podcast homepage. Here you can listen different Power Platform podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify and so many other platform. So just click on that. You will be redirected to this homepage and click on the favorite platform where you want to listen. Let's say you want to listen on Spotify, just click on that. It will be redirecting you to your Spotify account over there and you are good to listen your favorite podcast over here. Hope this is clear for you now. This is Dhruvin signing off. Have a great day. Goodbye.